A wrap can be a great way to breathe new life into your boat, especially an older boat. However, it's important to do it the right way the first time. To help make sure your wrap looks good for the long haul, the surface must be in acceptable shape for the wrap to adhere properly. Things like oxidation, weak or flaking gel coat, and ungel coated fiberglass repairs must be taken care of before a wrap is installed. During a wrap installation, the vinyl may be squeegeed down, pulled up, and put back down for various reasons. We want to make sure that when this happens, the wrap isn't losing its adhesion. That's why we've developed an adhesion test kit so that you can use to determine if your boat is ready. In your test kit, you'll find 6 pieces of vinyl and a squeegee to test 6 locations total. We recommend, on the port side, above the rub rail on the front and the back of the boat, as well as one underneath the rub rail on the hull. The same goes for the starboard side. However, if you see a certain spot that looks like it could use the test, then use that location. To perform the test, first you got to clean the surface. We recommend either soapy water, like using a few drops of Dawn as the soap, or isopropyl alcohol, which you may already have, or you can find at any grocery store or pharmacy. Repeat the process until your towel no longer shows signs of dirt. Step 2. Apply the adhesion test. Remove the liner and use the soft side of the squeegee to apply to the boat. Squeegee down roughly half of the vinyl, leaving the other half unsqueegeed. Go over the squeegeed area again, pressing down with force. Now remove the vinyl from the boat. Think about how aggressive the vinyl feels as you remove it. Now you're going to lay the vinyl back down again, using the same place on the boat, and once again remove the vinyl. If it comes off much more easily the second time, then your surface has oxidation that needs to be removed. Another way to check is to flip the test piece over to the adhesive side. If you notice any of the following, then you have oxidation. Number 1, does it have a light haze across the adhesive on the side you squeegee? Secondly, if after touching the squeegeed side versus the unsqueegeed side of the adhesive, you notice a difference in tackiness. Or lastly, if it left any traces or shadow behind on the boat itself where you squeegeed it down, then these are all signs of oxidation. Also, if you see gel coat color, metallic flake, or any pieces of your boat's surface on the adhesive side, these are signs that your boat is not ready for a wrap. If your boat shows signs of oxidation, you'll need to have it removed by a professional. Depending on the severity of the oxidation, they'll need to use a cutting compound and potentially wet sanding to make sure to get into all the edges and crevices. We're not looking for a showroom shine here, so once the oxidation is removed, keep all waxes or any products with oils away from the surface. We highly recommend having a second test kit, so after your detailer is finished, you can then test again. Using the same steps that you did previously, if your test kit sticks hard, removes, then sticks hard again, without any of those signs that we spoke about on the adhesive side, then your boat should be wrap ready.